in the stream. Nakasama ko yun. So don't worry, because in every competition, of course, we have a winner. Wow! Okay. Now, Box, dahil nabasa ka, thank you and congratulations, Brandy! Oh, Sir Box, don't be sad. Okay, I know Brandy would like to give you something. I'll just talk to her, okay? Just stay there. Very good boy. Thank you so much, Brandy. Now, Box, we also agree that since you have the courage to come up here, she would like to give you something special. Give your hand because you deserve this. Of course, a juicy fish. Take it. Alright, and eat it now. Just give it back to Brandy first. Come on. Sit closer. Get the fish. I'm dropping it. Drop it. Answer. Congratulations. You are now an honorary member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Guys, we are proud to bring the beautiful Bella. You know, folks, your job now is to go out there and tell the world about the sea lions and the BBC. Once again, folks, have a big hand.